viewers, welcome to our channel Lara, the Rhythm of Life. As we all know that there is a notification came about the conducting of all final year exams for UGC students. Freshly, there is an update about UGC has decided to conduct exams for university final year 2020 students through SOP system, that is standard operating procedure. This is the procedure which is done for to conduct all final year examinations for UGC, and it is scheduled to be conducted by September 30, 2020 by UGC along with MHRD. After releasing UGC revised guidelines 2020, Ministry of Human Resource Development along with the University Grants Commission UGC has released a standard operating procedure for conducting the final year or end semester examinations. The letter issued by the UGC states that SOP is done for safe mode of conducting exams for all final year UGC candidates, taking measures and keeping in the mind about COVID-19 situation, and this decision was taken in the view of the pandemic COVID situation. This SOP procedure is made for the safe security of the students who are going to attend the exams. So this SOP follows the guidelines which I will be post the following guidelines as mentioned in the SOP procedure guidelines by UGC in the next video. If you want to know all that guidelines which the students who are going to write the exams must and follow, without following the rules they are not allowed to write exam also. So students, be careful while you are attending your examinations. Once check out these guidelines and then attend the exams for your safe security. And the students who are going to attend these final exams, get ready very soon. However, SOP was released by the commission after receiving a lot of criticism on the conduction of examination in such a pandemic situation. Standard operating procedure includes the following conditions. First one, according to these SOPs, students who and the invigilators and the persons who are engaged in the conduction of exams who are going to attend the exams now will provide SOP admit card or identity cards. This will be treated as entry pass. Without this pass, anyone will not allowed to write exam. So be careful before you are going to attend the examinations. State Board also issues the instruction at the time of conducting exams once. And the second one, total surroundings and the examination centers including floors, walls, gates, doors, etc. should be sprayed with disinfectants. Also to sanitize themselves with the sanitizer bottles, and hand wash will be provided at the entry gates, exam rooms, staff or observer rooms at each center. This will be provided at the exam centers, not for the candidates. Third one, thermal checking will also be done at the staff entrance point to check whether the respective person is healthy or not. And the person who do not wear mask or gloves are not allowed to write the exams. Everyone should have their respective mask and gloves should be also there for the exam allotted staff, and also exam functionaries after staff verification once completed. Fourth one, candidate seats must also be cleaned thoroughly with sanitizers or disinfectants after any and every section of completion of exams. Even washroom should be also cleaned. These are the below three instructions that should be followed by the centers, and the first one will be included also following candidates who are going to attend the exams, that is students. Which are the below instructions that should be followed by each and every center and each and every colleges, each and every students who are going to attend the UGC final year exams. Be careful about that while you are going to write exam. And also the staff who are allotted for the exam centers will have to fill their self declaration form about their health status before entering exam area. If anyone fails in this self declaration checking aspect of this self declaration or thermal gun check, they will be asked to leave the exam center. So to protect yourself from this COVID, have lot of self care towards your families, and also you mainly avoid roaming outside unnecessary. And also whenever you are stepping into your room after visiting outside places, self sanitize yourself, avoid touching objects inside your home, leave your food out, and clean all of your objects properly and yourself too, to protect yourself and your family from this COVID pandemic situation, and to save your health and your parents' health also. So I request all of you to use hand wash and sanitizers in all your homes. Keeping all this aside, UGC final students who are going to attend exams, follow all these safe guidelines to keep yourself a safe, protective manner, and also be prepared to write exams and attend it well. Prepare well and attend your exams well. All the best. If once the schedule made by the UGC, they will release the new schedule and also hall tickets regarding your examinations, and you all would get your new schedule of exams for all UG and PG very soon. This was told by the High Court based on the cancellation of exams. Finally, High Court decided and gave permission to conduct exams based on the UGC guidelines. In 2 or 3 weeks, it was decided to release new exam dates of UG and PG. So, before you are going to write the exams, follow these guidelines, which I will provide you in the other video specially, because it is very important. You all must watch it. Guidelines video I will post you very soon, so you can all get ready for your exams with strong dedication and determination. I hope you all would watch that video, and I will upload it very soon. Stay home, stay safe. For all latest updates, please follow my YouTube channel Lara the Rhythm of Life, and do subscribe my channel for the latest updates, and also don't forget to tap the bell icon so that my videos, when I will be uploaded, it will reach you very fast. And also, if you think this video is useful to you, like it and comment below for any doubts regarding this video.